Hey, welcome to a quick video. I just need to start producing videos, so I'm gonna throw this one out here. I like flipping cars, so we're gonna be working on a Honda today. It's gonna be quick, down, dirty, get a motor back in it, get the things that it needs done, and we're gonna get this thing running, clean it up just a little bit to, make some good money. But this is gonna be, a rattle can beater. So let's throw this thing together and get it going. But I'm gonna show you what it looks like right now, see what we're working with, and a little bit along the way. So here's the rig, no motor. Do the whole Fast and the Furious thing, it's a SR20 would be a premium right now to get the thing in, But we're just gonna be throwing a regular D15 in here. Fuel saver, gas prices are high right now. Someone will want this thing. We're gonna simplify and save some of this stuff for my son's car. I'm gonna keep the cruise control and some other stuff out of here. Might be switching to a manual rack because I don't have a power steering pump, but I do have a manual rack. So might switch that out, not sure yet. But yeah, we're gonna get this front bumper off because I have a different one, even though it's a different color, at least it's not dented. It won't make the car look nearly as bad. Again, it's just kind of a rattle can beater. Someone already had painted it. I might try cleaning it up. I don't know yet. We've got this kind of stuff going on, some just cheap wheels on it. I gotta throw some seats in it. As you can see, we gotta get some seats in it. The steering wheel color kind of sucks. I think I have another one of those, or maybe I'll just get some cheap eBay thing to throw in it to make it a little more desirable. But yeah, we're gonna have I think another one of those, or I might just change the whole dash out. Gotta get seats in it. I'll get a handle for that cover. I have one of those. I got the door panel. Well, the door panels are right here, so you can see. And then just kind of get it a little bit of a vacuum. This is going to be just a cheap car, so I'm not trying to make a premium. I just want to get this done in about 2 days and get it out of my hair. So yeah, it's just going to be quick. Little dents and dings, and someone already sanded on it some. Rear bumper on. Trunk lid's good. So, I don't know. It looks actually like there's quite a bit of Bondo here. So maybe I'll switch that out. I have another trunk lid, so we'll probably change this trunk lid out then. Yeah, it looks like it was dented in pretty good right here. Oh, let's take a peek. What's going on here? Oh yeah, this is oh yeah, that's bad. All right, yeah, we'll be changing this trunk lid out. We'll get a good one on it. This thing's garbage. Oh man, look at all that Bondo. That's a bit of Bondo right there. Okay, well I guess enough of that. This is just some junk. We'll get that swapped out. So, anyways, that's what's going on today. Catch you in a minute. All right, so I went ahead and did a little and I pulled out the battery tray. I have another one, so I'm swapping it out with one that's not all rusty and falling apart. And I cleaned that one up. I'm waiting for it to dry from the prep. And I'm gonna go with that one too. I did this area first. It should go flat. This is shiny right now. I just literally did it. But there was a bunch of paint was gone. It was starting to rust and pit there, so I cleaned it all up, prepped it, so that way it won't rust anymore, so we can get the most life out of this car for the next person. And then just hit a couple other things. I'm not trying to hide anything. I'm trying to prevent rust. I'm cleaning this up. That's why. Same thing with a little spot over there. I just noticed it. Didn't prep it. Just sprayed it. Try to get a little more life out of it. Again, quick flip car. Not trying to make it go for more, just trying to make it last and pick the little things while I'm here. Had a quick trip to the O'Reilly's to get a rear main seal for the motor. I'll show you guys when I get back to the house or the shop that I've never seen this, but it's installed backwards. So I was like, well, I might as well throw one in before I put it all back together because it don't look right. And I don't want it leaking, so I got to do the right thing. I believe in karma, so I'm gonna fix it, get it right, put it in the car, and it won't leak for the guy. Good old O'Reilly's. Alright, I got the rear main seal. Got McDonald's for the kids and the family. Now, time to head back to the house and probably roll some coal on the way out of this Jetta. You ever have one of those days when you're just driving along and you gotta let one rip? You always feel better afterwards. Oops, my foot slipped. Alright guys, I'm back here at the shop. I went in, took the food inside, ate with the family and the kids real quick. Now I'm back outside. Let me show you. So, I'll show you when I get it swapped around. Well, the new one and not swapped around. I'm not reusing this old one. But as you can see, that is definitely in there backwards. So, I'm going to do the, you know, and then it's going to be going into there. Well, after the transmission that's over there goes onto it. Anyways, here we go. Alright, so I got the rear main. I'll go show you that really quick, but I already, well actually you can't see it, I already put the flywheel on and I'm in the process of putting the clutch on, but I got the new one in. I didn't have an alignment tool, but I've had this one that I've never used. It was like you get two of them when you change out a Jeep Cherokee clutch for the 4.0, and I've never used this one. So I just took my mini mill or mini lathe and turned this down to the pilot bushing side, and then I turned this down to where it just goes on the inside of the teeth of the clutch right here. Oh man, hard to do one-handed. Here we go. See? Just turn down, nice and snug, good fit. It'll make a really good alignment tool. A little lathe. It's very handy, but so yeah, let's go. I already got the flywheel all prepped and everything, so we can go ahead and just go and pop this into the motor. Well, I should probably do the right sides. Hold on. Okay. That time it worked. See, I did the inside shaft just a little bit too small, but this outside one's good. So I just got to grab the plate now, put the plate on, pressure plate after I clean it, and then we can throw the trans on. All right. I got the transmission on. That alignment tool was just like the best one I've ever used. I mean, I didn't even have to like wiggle it a little bit or hold it up. It all went together, and that transmission just was whoop, right on. Super easy. Anyways, I got it on a little dolly, so that way I can wheel it under the car. I'll raise my lift up some more, and this is just going to shoot underneath there, and then we can just bring the car on down right on top of it, and then bolt it into the motor mounts. And then we're going to be that much closer